Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eizy and today we're gonna check out another plastic model kit by Kotobukiya. This is 1/1 scale full action plastic model kit, the HoiHoi-san Mini with HoiHoi carry. This is the box art of HoiHoi-san Mini with HoiHoi carry. Check out this box art, and then this side we have the model kit, the carry, and also the real scale of the real HoiHoi-san. And then we have the 3 faceplates, and from this side and from this side too. It comes with an instruction manual, this, and then a water slide decal. It is originally from a manga by Kunihiko Tanaka. It is called the Ichigeki Sacchu HoiHoi-san, or the translation is the one-shot bug killer interceptor doll HoiHoi-san. And also it has a PlayStation 2 game back in the day, and also a 10 minutes OVA, original video animation. Some background story of this HoiHoi-san: they are actually the bug killer. They are built to kill all the cockroaches that pass inside this household. They are powered by electricity. They are very small in size. They comes with different design, different costume, different weapons, and the color scheme. Size comparison with an Android, a high-grade Gunpla, figurized standard Ayame, Megami device, frame-ups girl Sylvie, and Bandai Petit Rich. It comes with 3 different eyes plates. The first one is looking at the front, the second one is looking to the right, and the third one is looking to the left. One set of open hand, one set of grabby hand, and one set of fist. Inside this HoiHoi carry, we have the first weapon right here. The second weapon is a machine gun, and this part here can be removed. We have extra joints, and this is for the main body part, while this one is for the hand. The HoiHoi carry, it comes with this thing at the front with a handle, and then if you look at this side here, you can see the USB written on the front right here, and then the wheels can rotate, all 4 of them. At this side we have 4 hangers, and also at this side too we have another 4 hangers. They are actually used to hang these kind of weapons. And if you have other HoiHoi-san designed in plastic model kit, they comes with different type of weapons, so you still can use this one to hang all these weapons. And at the back right here we have this handle, and this part also can open up like that, close it up like so. And inside of this HoiHoi carry we have this black thing, is to separate all these parts, to put all the weapons, the parts that you need to put this on. This is a carry, by the way, and if you don't want, just remove this piece like that. Also, there are a bunch of space inside here, and they are used to, well, you actually can put this HoiHoi Mini inside this carry. For the head articulation, this top hairy piece is actually using a tiny ball joint. The head can move up about that far, go down about that far, side to side. The ribbon can move like that, and then this is using a tiny ball joint. For the hair, this one can move like that, and then this one also can be moved. And at the back here, the hand can move up and down, rotate, move like that, and this part can rotate too. Movement here, and then this part can move too. For these cute legs, it can do like that and like so, back and forth like that. At the back here, if you remove her head, you can see a USB slot with a ribbon, and this is actually just a gimmick, not a real USB slot where you can put the USB in, just a gimmick. Because HoiHoi-san in the anime, the OVA, and the manga, they need electricity to operate. This HoiHoi-san Mini with her carry is actually a very rare plastic model kit to find it today because it was released within 2009 until 2015 during the popular season of the HoiHoi-san. If you guys really want to get your first HoiHoi-san plastic model kit, you can get the new edition, the 2020 edition. They have the HoiHoi-san new edition that costs you around 4,320 yen. Also the HoiHoi-san the heavy battle version, the new edition that costs you around 4,140 yen. They are released in 2020. That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.